I'm going to show you how to remove the control board out of this Frigidaire unit with model FFEF3043LSH. A few reasons you might want to replace or send in your control board for repair is for the oven and broiler not working. Sometimes they don't turn on at all. Sometimes they do turn on but don't quite reach the temperature that was set, or they completely exceed that set temperature. A few other reasons is a dim display or completely blacked out display. Alternatively, an F1 and F3 codes can also be caused by that controller board. The first thing we always want to do is disconnect power. So now that I've done that, I can go ahead and remove the back panel over here, and we have 6 screws. And this is my 6th and final one. I'm going to hold the panel from the bottom so it doesn't fall. And be very careful, this is sheet metal, so it's very sharp, it can cut you. And now we've exposed our control board on the back. Again, you always want to make sure that your unit has been disconnected. All right, for these connectors, we're just going to wiggle them out. And then for this clip, there is a little notch right here. I'm going to use this tool to push it down and wiggle out the connector at the same time. This one's a little trickier. There we go. So this is the notch at the top. And essentially, we're just pressing it down to clear the locking mechanism, and then we can wiggle out. Now I'm going to untwist this tie. We'll move the wires over to the side. And we have 4 screws, 2 on each side. And I'm going to make sure to hold the circuit board in place as I'm unscrewing the last one, and it falls right out. Now I will spare you the installation process, as it is the exact same, but in reverse. If you are interested in sending in your control board for repair, we'll have more information on our website, which we'll link down in the video description down below. If you enjoy the content, if you enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.